Some people are just glutton for punishment, I think. I think you got invested, did you?
Yeah, I did get invested, yeah. When you start to get into these things, you can't let them go.
So I went to PJ Motorcycle Engineers yesterday to pick up exhaust gaskets for this. So we found there was no exhaust gasket in there, hence the massive air leak.
Yep.
And I failed because I knew what I'd asked for. The guy knew what I asked for. And he said, when I got there, he says, I think they're in the wrong box because they are massive, the seals that I've got upstairs. And I think they should be these. They shouldn't be these, should they?
Shouldn't be those, yeah, those aren't the right ones.
So these are way too small. So this is a 40 OD?
Yes.
50 OD. We need a 56. So Chris is doing some phoning round, begging and stealing and borrowing from local motorbike shops, hoping they've got something in a box. So we've got some people looking at that now. And I think Em's going to try and phone PJ and see whether they happen to be doing some machine work,
yeah,
just
let us
see if they can help us out. But we're doing that. What we've also found is the spigot on the motor is 17mm protrusion, whereas the what would you call that? The receiver on the down pipe?
the flange in the end, yeah.
So that's like 25mm. So even with one of these seals in, you're going to be nowhere near compressing that gasket. So we are going to trim. We worked out about 5mm off the end of this, just to allow it to crush back up. So we'll cut this up, then phone that place. Hopefully they've got a gasket.
Fingers crossed.
We can get this on. Then we're going to put a fly lead for ground on the motor, just to make sure we're getting good, solid connection there. Put it all together. It's going to start. It's going to run.
And we're going to do some more kicking.
Yeah, and take
Hopefully
it outside.
not too much kicking.
Yeah, ride it, and then Alex can have his bike back.
Hang it back. Yeah,
it's that simple. Oh, we got a clutch cable to fit as well. I think that exhaust has definitely done more miles than the bike.
It has now, yeah. We'll see what else it can fit while we're here.
Yeah. So we are at Bike Tech, and hopefully
we'll find a gasket.
We'll get a gasket. That was an adventure. You made a new friend, haven't you?
I made a new friend. Interesting chap.
Yep. Oh, can't believe some situations. So we went over there. They had the seal, which does fit.
They had two seals, yeah. We had options.
And I had to get some cash to pay, so I went over to the cash point, left Chris there, and the conversation that ensued was
it was flowing. Yeah. I couldn't stop him from talking.
So awkward. And then the guy let somebody else in and shut the door on Chris and left him outside. But we got what we needed. That's the main thing.
Clearly not to be trusted, I think.
So we've done the trim.
Pipe's now cut,
do a bit of a coating on that. The seal does fit in the hole, I believe. We've got two options.
He does. We've got a couple of options, yeah.
So he's in there. We've got this one here. So I think get this bit coated up and then try and put it on the bike. We have a seal sat in there now. Oh. I took this under here, somewhere there.
Yep, we're on the stub.
Fight some springs on.
Let's fire some springs on, yeah. Let's watch out, eyes.
Perfect timing.
Hello, boss.
Look who turned up.
I've made a soup.
Tea in hand. Me and Chris are about to lose our fingers.
Lose your fingers.
Fingers, eyes. That's the one on.
Okay.
Yep.
The other one is in a fin somewhere here.
Oh, so this top one here. That one there? Yeah.
Seems an odd place, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does seem like an odd place, but I guess it's pulling up onto the stub.
Oh, for holding the exhaust on.
Yeah,
It looks like it's trying to pull it out, doesn't it?
Is that? You think in line with the stub would have been better, wouldn't it? Is there? There's not one in here, is there? But that is the hole there, and it wouldn't.
We got an exhaust.
We have, and it's on the bike, yeah.
I think it's looking pretty good. We've got new bolts and fixings in. It's all secure. And down in here, if we can see it, the pipe is now not on the cylinder head. We've got a bit of a gap, so at least it reaches where the seal is. There's some. It's lovely, that, isn't it? All that oil and.
Yep.
But yeah, it's on. It's secure. Got the springs.
Got a new clutch cable in as well.
Clutch cable from JJ. which now we are not at the top of our adjustment. So that's lovely. Just put a new plug in, and then we'll see if it does a thing.
We'll give her a kick.
We have a nice new earth strap to bridge the motor to the frame, and hopefully that's everything fixed.
That's everything fixed, yeah.
Do you promise me? Is it all going to work now? Can I get rid of it? Can it go home? I want to build a Triumph.
Yeah, let's get something nice in.
Yeah.
Here we go.
This is the moment, isn't it? So I'm being really brave, and if it starts, I'm going to follow on the Triumph. Because, you know,
And we're going to see.
you've got the easy life, haven't you?
Yeah, a couple of kicks should be good.
I mean, it's lightweight, it's really easy to push.
It is nice, yeah.
I know from experience. But yeah, it's all together.
Fingers crossed.
I don't think there's
We can't do
much more we can do.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
So, wish us luck.
It revved up okay and then just cut out, just died instantly. You got fuel? Yeah, it's got fuel. Fuel's on, we're on reserve.
Yep.
Float bowl's full. Yeah, as soon as I started to pick up, but I couldn't get into second because I can't get my foot down, so I clicked into second, then up into third, and then she just died. Literally like it had flicked the ignition off.
Done this before.
Yeah, I bet.
So they've come back. They weren't gone very long.
We weren't going very long, no.
What happened?
It was a rather short journey. So actually it started up okay. Funny enough, took a few kicks, but we managed to get it going. Got down onto the, well, not even onto the main road, just kind of on the estate. First gear, second gear, third gear, felt like it was pulling really well. And then all of a sudden it just like an straight ignition cut. So
Just cut out completely, all
cut
the
out
engine, the lot?
completely. Yeah, so nothing, no tick over.
No lights, no nothing.
No, I wasn't checking the lights at the time, but just running it. So there is I'm out of breath because we've just pushed it back. But we've got a few things to try, so we're going to have the tank back off again and swap out the ignition coil, because it felt to me like as the ignition coil was starting to work, it was breaking down under load.
Right, okay.
So
Oh, sounds fun. Well, at least you've got like a direction to go in with now. Yeah.
we've run out of letters on the alphabet for plans now, so we might have to go A, B.
Oh, brilliant.
Chris really likes riding at night. Really likes it.
I'm working on motorcycles.
It's gone dark.
Combine the two.
It has gone dark out. We took the tank off again because that's one job we can achieve.
For good measure.
Yeah.
Take the tank off, yeah.
What did we do? Why did we take the tank off?
So, oh yes, we changed the kill switch, didn't we?
Yes. So we've changed the kill switch. There was a new old stock one in the box, just in case that was intermittently cutting the ignition.
Yeah.
It didn't seem like it when we tested it on the bench, but while it was apart, thought it was the best idea. Then we've got some more fuel because that fixes everything, doesn't it? Chris thinks we'll keep some back if we don't work this time. I'm sure
we
it's
really
insured
can't
for
fix
fire
it.
and theft.
The fuel will fix it.
Yeah. So we put some fresh fuel in, extra fresh fuel.
And we reset the carb. I mean,
It was a bit.
there's a potential that the carb was not quite vertical. So potentially then, if the float's not allowing it to drop properly, then we're not bringing fuel back in. So it could have been a fuel cut that we experienced, but.
Yeah, so with the Electron carb that's on here, because it hasn't got a 90 spout on the, or 90 guide ferrule on the cable inlet, it hits that
So hard against
centre
the frame.
spar of the frame,
Yeah.
so you can't actually get it into the position the original carb would be in. I think if we...
Again, we're kind of just rolling stuff out, aren't we, as we're going?
Yeah, we're just firefighting now and hoping we come across something, because everything else seems fine.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Trying our best.
Is it go time?
It's go time.
Is it going to do it? Come on.
Look after us.
Stop,
Be nice.
Stop being naughty. and we'll find out if them lights work as well.
Yeah, I don't fancy riding home without lights.
No. So for all you lovely people watching, what I can advise in life is if you're going to make new friends, make ones that will do all the heavy lifting for you. It really helps.
Come on, we believe in you. So I'm not sure you can see us, it's gone dark and I've been hibernating in the house because it's also gone really cold.
But it's been nice and warm in the shed again.
Has it? Oh,
yeah,
good.
no, that's been good, yeah.
Well, I have heard you laughing, so it can't all be tragic.
We'd cry otherwise, so yeah, it's got to be a
Yes.
laugh.
Let's try this way. Can you see us for this? There we go.
That's better,
So, where are we up to?
So now what we've done, we've swapped the carb back over.
Right,
So we're
okay.
going to gone back onto the original carb. Obviously then rerouted all the cable.
Yes.
And the throttle thimble.
Because you were just saying to me, weren't you, as you come back, that you think it's not getting enough fuel
Correct.
because of the way that the bike is
Yeah,
leaning. Because you
I-
have to make left turns out of our house.
I think that won't help. Yeah, I
I
just think because we can't get the carb vertical,
Okay.
the float is then struggling to then modulate the fuel coming into the
Yeah.
the bowl itself.
Because you
So
said the carb was on a slight angle just because it's it's bigger. So this
correct.
is the original one.
Yeah,
so is this
because it's
vertical now?
because the carb that we fitted is a non-original carb. It's I don't think it's not going to work right with this bike.
So for a test ride today, 4 times a charm.
So yeah, we've tried this carb before, and it does seem to work well. It's and it tends to start better on this as well. So fingers crossed, we'll get a good start out of it, and hopefully we get beyond
Beyond,
a couple of hundred
Well,
charts.
I am just super grateful for your time and for helping Joe, because I think he finds it so helpful when someone's of the same intellectual level, if not greater intellectual level, just to bounce
No, not at all.
backwards
No,
and
it's-
forwards within.
it's good
'Cause
fun.
I don't ask the right questions.
It's been definitely problem solving on this bike has been really interesting. But it's a nice thing, and it'd be great once we've got it properly running. I'm sure
Can
it'll
you
ride
imagine
fantastic.
the sense of like victory?
The
and
achievement.
relief
I know.
when it
Yeah. Well.
goes?
Yeah. Hopefully you'll see a different Chris when I come back in a few minutes. We'll soon find out.
Yeah, and talk the devil. There he is. You come and join in and do a bit.
Who's going to be more careful about the friends he chooses?
really good. I mean, big difference between the two carbs in terms of its throttle pickup, but actually when it's on the pipe, it don't mess about. It really wants to go.
Just tell me that again, just say them words. It ran great.
It ran great, yeah, it really ran great. I mean, yeah, no problem at all. Third, you know, first, second, third, fourth, just pulled really hard.
Yeah.
And no real hint of anything we had before.
No.
Clearly, he must have just been running the float bowl dry.
That's like music to my ears.
Oh goodness, it feels so good to be. And actually, it's a really lovely thing. It's a crackly, poppily two-stroke. You know, it's not like a nice smooth four-stroke, but it actually rides really nice around the islands. You know, it handles just fine.
Yeah, I mean, the way the road is at the minute.
Yeah, really
not
wet,
quite
slippery,
right,
diesely, but it's great.